Introducing the Genius Tools Torque Stick Series, a handy way to achieve the desired torque on a fastener. Made from chrome vanadium steel with a painted finish, Genius Tools Torque Sticks are designed to provide high strength and durability while having anti-corrosive properties. Each torque stick has different torque settings, ranging from 65 foot-pounds to 650 foot-pounds. Each bar is designed to flex with the blow of an impact wrench once the specified torque is reached, preventing over-torquing and damage to the fastener or the socket. Clear and permanent size markers are stamped on the tool, and the bars are color-coded for easy recognition. Genius Tools offers torque sticks in both individual items as well as full sets, making it easy to find the right tool for the job. Rated to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools backs up its quality with a limited lifetime warranty, protecting you against any manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.